You're welcome to the Bros Podcast Show. We are back once again as we bring to you every single time, every single day. We bring you nothing but the best of discussions, some education here and there, relationship stuff, sports, whatever you name it. Today, we are coming out with another insightful conversation. Um, you see, there's been some transitions over the past 20 years, right? We went from the internet age, in the early 90s or the late 90s into the 2000s. And now we are in an era whereby we have something we call artificial intelligence or AI. It's basically taking over. We have an expert here that is going to, have a conversation with us and let us know actually what AI is. Because, Charlie, everybody did the gram top, they talk about AI, they are using AI platforms or they are using AI apps, but they don't really know what AI is. So today we are going to dive a little bit deeper into make we discuss make we get the knowledge on actually how to use it positively. I beg, the word is positively. So join us, it's your boy Chris. And don't forget to follow us on our socials, the Bros Podcast, both on Instagram and on TikTok. And then also go to YouTube, subscribe, comment, share, and then also engage with us in the comment section so that we also engage with you as well. Whatever that you want us to discuss, we'll make sure that we do that for you. So now, as we are going into it, I want to introduce my co-host like we do every time. On my left, bro, make you introduce yourself. Let's go.
Abranti,
Akwaba Charlie. Akwaba baby, you know some boys in the sun. You them kakrani as I show up. And then our special guest for today. Ono na ye the brain. On never can be in the conversation before maybe I said, we actually learn something from it. Sure. All right, so bro, Charlie, make you introduce your body and then mention your handle so that they know who you are, so that they can follow you before the conversation goes.
Exactly.
All right, so I would say thank you very much. I really appreciate. Okay. So Enoch, but you can call me AI with Enoch.
With Enoch.
Yes, and you can follow me on all social media handles. It is AI with Enoch. I also have my website. I also have my community where you can join. We recently hit about 300 members, so you can join. It's aiwithenoch.com/community. So what I do is that I'm an AI consultant. I guide businesses on how then go integrate AI into their businesses. Yes. Okay. And also
beautiful.
I build AI workflows. So as we know that this be the AI we go use. Maybe let's automate this part of the business.
Yeah.
Then we build it for you. Then also they educate people on AI. That's why they do content, and they do videos, and they do tutorials on how you go use AI.
This is brilliant, Charlie. As you hear go follow after you follow join community because Charlie AI is the future.
Make it educate you.
If you get
the
that
community be free.
It's not be free, so the community be free. Make you join and make sure that you get in touch with him as well. Because I think the AI be the future, and if you can learn the skill of AI, it can actually help you. Charlie, you go if you make money from him. Yeah. When you school, I say,
I can mention. I go mention like kiddies where then they build AI. I've been part of some communities where Charlie 30 years. I don't know if
Ghanaians.
No, Ghana. As we start this thing, really they Ghana.
Here like
so
that.
most of the places I learn and be like Opti people, my friends with the Opti.
Look, I'm not China for no. I'm not to say, China for
Miami note ready.
Charlie, right, so let's just go straight into it. All right. I think it's imperative that we basically, or the audience that are watching, they are able to actually know what and understand actually what AI is. So from a layman's point of view, right, from the grass root, people we really don't know.
Yeah.
Say, what the infant will be our uncle school. On onim internet, onim AI. Onim AI impona be onim internet impona be AI. like lay must break it down,
Okay.
like basic understanding of what AI is, which is artificial intelligence. Yeah.
Yeah. So Semeka artificial intelligence no. I know you try so short now I can say AI. So basically AI is a whole industry on its own. So what I say it's a whole music industry, but by industry in my levels.
Okay.
What I say. But they are affecting mostly not about breaking it down. So now
Okay.
will be a bit. So you can say artificial intelligence is basically computer. So in computer will follow instructions. But this time round no, or mimic human intelligence
Okay.
or behavior as if say or nipa nyansa.
Okay.
So what I say. So to send our way to me. I mean we'll go into that, but
detail,
to me be such a GPT now. Or my feel it say or your emotional.
What was that question? Been answer.
Yeah, but it is basically a computer. It's basically text, numbers, and all that. So, how this all come about? And they say, "Yamfa Mike we say, I don't know the container. So at the end computer na can one sem no. Into no say what make it AI no? A large language model.
Okay.
So large language model.
I don't know then.
Yeah,
Because a large
I don't know
language
why.
model,
No. I say that is like the brain. It's an anatomy of a human being. No?
Okay.
Large language model, not to say the brain of the AI. And no, you training large language model. It's like a software model that has been trained with real human data. You know,
Okay.
a dream. So what I say, before say me who say we a car, we are kunyano. This say you training me. Into no AI no, adwene no, omu training no, friend machine learning.
Okay.
So what I say?
It's a machine issue.
Yeah.
But in a human form. Like,
Yeah. Senia, when say AI no, try making nipa intelligence.
Okay.
It is senia you see and there no. That is how the AI is also learning. And your levels of the learning no. Your you can say reinforcement learning. Your supervised learning, your unsupervised learning. So supervised learning is to say information na me dem ma label no. We a car, we a akunya, we ma label. And now unsupervised learning no. O the man no ankasa. So what I say. And now reinforcement learning no na most of the time no yeah algorithm for social media no mu use man.
Okay.
That's why it can catch you like 3 hours now see TikTok because it learns on the fly. So what I say. Now and one can say correcting the home with all that. So AI na nkasa so no. Send you can say the memo boss we yes another types of AI. That one is actually the levels. So what I say you narrow AI. You predictive AI. That's some types of memory. Your predictive AI. And no AI can or hold it down. It's been there like 1950s on side.
Come here, maybe be
site
social media. No?
Yeah.
So then say Instagram has been there for a while.
Yeah.
Meaning all this while no, it use AI.
Yeah.
But then AI. Maybe it has not got to us.
Yeah.
So AI advancement.
Yes, it use AI. But then we say AI no. And then I make us say your levels.
Okay.
Into those kind of AI now you use first no. So now make us say AI has been there since 1950s. So what I say, but just said there were some challenges. There were not enough data to train the AI to make it look more human. And also no AI no be run your infrastructure. So to say now ebia we videographer. Opese ultra videos akese that means we here space kese. So what I say that's how AI runs on GPUs.
Okay. I said GPU na say first cry na mainframe computers crampo na nya the ketwa. But right now no much more compacting into small so I understand.
Yeah. So as a CC and scanner back and with the help of internet so there were enough data to train the AI.
Yeah.
They now make one some predictive AI, something like Netflix.
Okay.
You want to say no AI but it's like a weaker version or no. Or, okay, because I will share a movie we that means so what I say.
A similar one.
Yes.
For you. Okay.
So for you to be interested. And you kind of saying generative AI.
Okay.
Where you're training AI now. Instead of saying you best store information in the good memory be more it rather learns the patterns. So at this say na offer o this offer o phone now so offer phone na auto complete no a different. Say be our open outro I want to go to. The keyboard number predictor are different from because of more typing patterns.
Okay.
You know, your generative AI no na say will be use so I chat GPT it has say to training now no obe generative BB but it's not exactly the ultra. Okay, this is how to draw an elephant. Obesua how to draw. But catch and say on draw elephant. On also be drawn from unknown perspective.
Yeah.
Based on and agentic AI. So I say agentic AI is basically what we are all seeing right now. AI can use your computer for you. AI you like self-driving cars and then in agentic AI. So right now, no, yama adreno tools.
Okay.
So I say so self-driving cars no camera to trap picture now or process a picture no. Okay, this is a human being. I'm not supposed to hit. So that's how. And about the reasoning level, I say it's send nipa yo obi a say your class oh video you good video you say no.
Okay.
Your narrow AI, and that is what almost all of us are experiencing right now. Inti VO3 now we are AI video. We say video looking real. We are actually using the weaker version of AI right now, and on the narrow AI no.
Okay.
And the next level no artificial general intelligence. That's AGI. So at your senti.
Then that's about there.
You understand? So that's and way you must say be anti na make catch and say they should run master AI because this is like the weaker version. I have
the coming one.
Yes, me hosting class AI join the class no. So at your say now I recorded the whole class. Oria immediately say about class na end no.
Okay.
Students or send the students via email of the class or record the class no video. Wasa momo summary. Wasa momo word for word transcript. And yes our AI or no in case be a video now we say okay which part was he talking about so and so. No can say puliama. No amount be a me I do be call direct. And on a one agentic AI. So may person me think of what about to say all these things they are very cool, but we actually in the weaker version of AI. It is as a war when the very AGI first.
Okay.
You know, and from AGI
Enoch could be this kapao.
Would be program
this car off.
Yeah, I mean
you never join the class. You never join the class.
You know, and from AGI no, they call ASI. That means a final boss. No, yes. Until see, I know person to chat GPT. I always as I prompt. Sometimes I prompt in the crowd and I say, oh, yeah, no, somewhere. No friend hallucination. So I can say, it's ASI ne there. And no, for now no, theoretical. Like as a
so it's not practical.
Yes. I'm also researching into that, but then they have this hope say it is possible to achieve that. When we achieve that. But
the
AGI no omuguso eno so omuguso
eno na determinator beba no
what how many years time should we expect and accurately but
not accurately so in AGI no so me can me predict year there I because of how fast AI is moving so like anyway drop a model or china we drop a model but I think say the ebema feel say yenya AGI for the AI to know like to have continual learning. So I say for now no models so opa be ChatGPT and be say when is the cutoff point for your training data. GPT-5 na like the latest AI from OpenAI or OpenAI for the ChatGPT. But the training data and I think say end June 2024. You understand? So even if the latest model is ending on the training data and ending June 2024, that means after June information be the or search internet nonsense. Yes.
Or no AI.
Yes. And if they want to produce a new model, they have to retrain the model. What you say? It's say Sisiano, continual learning. No.
That means you don't need to train it based on timelines.
Yes.
It will automatically continue to learn.
And that is I think the gap by what AI and the pemus is here. Because ABS okofa PA, which me afa will be a keke. He doesn't necessarily have to know about how podcasts, but odene bar or koba sana or ye mistake learn. Yeah. So if we are able to reach that where AI can learn on its own and correct its mistakes and all that without we training it all the time, I feel like Charlie, that one there, AGI straight.
Like I know, we are talking about all the positives and that.
Yeah.
But with the continuous learning or continual learning and with AI integration, AI training, I know it's an exciting industry. It's an exciting, your friend is saying, project when it has to do with AI. But sometimes me and Kasane scare me in a way.
Yeah.
Because even the richest man in the world, which is Elon Musk, saying say at the rate where AI is developing or is going, we need to have some kind of structure or some level of control over it before it gets out of because at the end of the day, there are people who are going to use it for a positive benefit, and people who are also looking to explore it or exploit it for the negative part, right? They are even integrating AI into weaponry. America for no more, China for no more, Japan for no more.
See, I know better smart plane car. You can just the AI will just know. You don't have to. This is a self-driving car. Self-driving bomb.
And sometimes I believe that AI actually most of the time. That's what me I believe. I believe AI's usage usually starts from the military before it graduates to the civilians,
the ordinary person.
To the ordinary person. Right, because they need to explore and know exactly how to use it before they even bring it. Because I believe that if any attack might happen in any country, they should be able to, identify that threat and neutralize it or allow it to happen. But if they have the AI, that they have control over the AI, the initial stages before it comes to the civilians, no matter how much you hack it, no matter how you try to use it against a particular country, they'll be able to intercept. So it brings my mind to the negative aspect of it. Also, I make us a terminator. Now, continually learning, continuous learning. Now, we'll be because sometimes you see all these movies that they do with like AI taking over the earth and stuff like that. Because those times, Nana, then they talk about AI. So they are talking about it, but you knew that it didn't exist. Like it wasn't really in front of
even
us.
At that time, you would think of robots.
Exactly, because you know when they say robots. But I say so robots. Robots are doing movies. Right now they are doing the robots. They are doing robots where like creating like a dog and it can move, it can run.
And now even women like
they are
gender, they are having the AI robotics like.
Charlie.
So with the safety of AI,
yes,
this is what I would say. AI, that's as I said, there are a lot to talk about, but I would like to talk mainly about the large language model because I know the brain of the AI. Brain me want some 19, but if my brain is not functioning well, or they are somehow useless. So the brain, the large language model, brain. And a large language model, your levels, your different types, your multimodal, your large language model go, I'll send a message, I'll send the image manner onto me process it. Because you're in training it's send your different types,
because that one I'm not cutting you, but that brings my mind to something. So for instance, there's ChatGPT, which is the most popular AI friend. It's a platform that most people know, right? And lately who said Google Gemini and so right now, especially the women, they be on the generative photography. Nano banana, they be on generative image. I know some people who are posting who image are talking to but I realized that the kind of prompt that you give to Gemini AI, right, to generate an image for you, once you put that into ChatGPT, it doesn't work.
Okay, yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'd say your bell cola, your bigo cola, nigna your cola. Okay. But obi understand your bell any cola no. It's large language models no. Your uncensored models. Okay. I don't know. Say me BMCC and I'm say show me how to hack the Ghana cybersecurity. Show me how to hack the Bros podcast. Show me how to do like bad things and can be such a debate or say we. Obe chro, obe mao, obe choose yes, koha choose way, yeah, for up way, yeah, for say yeah, obe chro bibi, and a lot of people don't even know. I'm just because say yes, you are the person me bibi ato hono your uncensored model. So the attorney say we to send an amede way example no, me training no, me de masesa internet ne so information ne ni keka ho interviews, podcasts, inko for posts bibi na me de training ti. Information be a gumbi. Okay. Now, no. Main metric say what information should you put out there? So I'll now censor the model, I'll fine-tune the model. Marketing say we can. Obi bisa about recently Charlie Puto's they say Charlie Kirk. The issue. Who tries to have a conversation about data. They will tell you, I can't talk about this. This is too harsh to talk about. If you ask ChatGPT to tell you how to crash a wedding, I'll tell you, so when we train the model, information now we are seeing that the training. Now we fine tune the true prompt engineering. So prompt engineering. Okay. So Mamika said prompt is basically the instruction you give to the AI. So if I say I want this, your levels of prompting, your system prompting. System prompting in there, maybe build the AI area. Me na me final boss of the AI. Me na make it say you are a customer support AI. All your conversations should be about customer support. If somebody says, okay, tell me about how to maybe talk to a girl, block the person, this, do that. So your censored model and then your uncensored model. So the power of AI, it's not the AI. It's the person who controls the AI. Okay. That is why ChatGPT is a very popular AI. I think I use ChatGPT. And I've always been advocating that Ghana we should build our own large language model. And no AI no. And yes, building I've built an image AI. You can generate image. You are using APIs from build your models. So we should train our own model. Model out to me ubisana say person me no check here. To me I say you say.
But do you think we can?
Oh yeah, we can. Yeah. We can. Oh, it's like it's not even difficult to get it done. But some of the things how on it's. And I make obi omanya obi be definitely. But just say aban no insa wo ma efe. So what you say. So with the safety of AI, and I don't want to drift from with the safety of AI, one is mainly on the person who builds the AI. You understand? So senipa na ono or running AI enye obi or no or care about humanity. It will just allow it to do anything that it's supposed to do. And the second, how to make AI safe, and say there should be some regulations on how to use AI. That one there, that's why I always encourage people to learn AI, because even though it's AI now, I will hold it that, but the whole world is basically now learning how to even operate. AI will be some say see then AI and they drink cry. They don't know because like a black box. You put your information, it process, it gives you output. Send your first output, send your first package away, you say. All we know is that AI predicting. But send your first predicting, we don't know. You understand? So with the safety of AI, is the person who builds the AI. We should make sure that it is in the hands of somebody we can trust.
And also the one.
So from what you are saying, then ChatGPT is a controlled AI.
Yeah, it's a censored model. It's a controlled AI. It's open AI. Say na Americano, your big cola, your bell cola, your wine cola.
Yeah.
company no or build it, your companies or build your more AI or more large language models. Maybe or more operating no, maybe or more factory no, like factory. A friend of research labs.
Yeah.
So open AI or more create chat GPT.
Yeah.
So what I say, your Claude AI it was built by Anthropic company needing the Anthropic.
Okay.
Your Gemini from Google.
Okay.
Your DeepSeek. Your Kimi.
Yeah, DeepSeek is a Chinese.
Yes, a Chinese one. In fact, AI, Chinese for no killing your what? America for only branding. To know here, more research lab. For most of them are this young China, and they are young boys, and that's why I encourage everybody. Say you don't really It's not like I'm promoting myself, but my as old as 40 something people.
Promote.
Only any coding background, doesn't know, but we're building a website. If I have my laptop, I'll just show you. We're building on a fully functional web site, ads, and then get also. You understand? And most of the time, they are more interested in AI. There was one
thing is because they missed a generation whereby they weren't able to understand these things. So
almost share some say we have everything, but we are there. There was this man now catch me say or drop like proposals, companies, like business proposals and things. But first but not dream, throw, break it down and all that. But right now, he has to be the boss.
Yeah.
And then ChatGPT or Manus or GenSpark or whatever has to be the boy. Yes. So they see it as a very big opportunity. In fact, it's a very big opportunity. Even though there are some, some safety precautions that we need to put in place. But
all right. So I just want you to also speak briefly about the agentic AI. Right? I think that's where your expertise is used most. How basically the integration of AI into workflow, right? Whether it's businesses or mostly businesses. So I want you to get a little bit deeper into that. And then we can
So just as I was saying, AI and your levels, the predictive, generative, and then agentic, and people care mostly about the agentic because they affect it in real time. Okay, ChatGPT will be to me a throw email, nice, but can you send it because I have something else to do? Okay, you can tell me there are businesses in Accra. Okay, you've given me leads. Can you reach out to them on my behalf? When they reply, can you tell me? So it's like, yes, we know that you are good at generating certain things, but we want you to take action. And that is what the kind of saying agentic AI comes in. Can you drive my car for me? Can you tell me where I am right now? Can you call this for me? So that's when the agentic AI. So basically, I didn't say that, but I lead Riverside AI and in partnership with Reinvent24 More UK.
All right.
We build AI workflows for businesses. So, me integrating AI into your business. First of all, I have to understand your workflow. Okay. Yes, what your business is about. And I'll encourage businesses to look for AI consultant, not necessarily me, but have someone in your company because it's very important to have it right now, or else your competitors will, go ahead of you. So before we integrate AI into your business, most of the time we want to understand how your business goes. Okay, or your customer support, right? We know, but support customers will reach out from what platform? Is it WhatsApp? Is it call? Is it email? We get to know that. And now we integrate AI into your system. So you're able integrating an AI agent. It's either an AI agent or an AI automation workflow.
Okay.
So what I say. So to integrate that, I want people to understand what an AI agent is. So an AI agent, is basically an autonomous AI that can do things for you, on autopilot. So for an AI agent to function, it needs the brain. What is the large language model? As I say, it needs a knowledge base. It needs tools, and that's like the most important thing. So tools, is basically apps. So what I say? So so when send an make say AI be send the email no.
Okay.
Or the brain be processing message now. After we will say okay, if I want to send an email, I need to use my email too. If I want to send a text message, I need to use the SMS. What I say. And how we connect these apps to the AI is through API keys. So what I say. So for example, me person me friend. Your entity on your own, or baby. Me your entity on my own, or baby. But in order for me to reach you, no, I need your API key, which is your number, your phone number. So we communicate through that. So I send the request or different levels, or get request, or post request, or all that. I send a request, and then what? I get a response. So when we analyze senior then we are going to look at it. Sometimes we just a simple AI tool necessary. Okay, use this for generating images. Use way for way. We can build an AI agent for you. An AI agent, your different types, your different kinds. To me, are building. So, for example, when I say, I don't know what question.
No,
I'm
learning.
It is so. For example, I'm for the Bros podcast. For example, we want to build an AI system for you. First of all, no. Then I'm here podcast. So, what are some of the things that you need on the general perspective? No, what I think say you will need probably a customer support. Not necessarily customer, but a support agent. You have to say. So
it be a handling of bookings to get people.
So
to people.
I don't know if I'll probably remember her next time. I'll do more practicals for you to see how it.
We would like to see.
Yeah. So I'll just build the agent. I'll build a voice agent, right? And then I'll hook a number, a real phone number to it.
Okay.
So you can call the AI and hello, you've reached the Bros podcast. How may I help you? I'd like to know if I'm like, when is the next available time I can, and that's even booking. I think somebody for booking, you have to review the person, but something like directions. Okay. So if I say I want to locate the place, we can train the model in a way say obe to me to send a my friend say Charlie mijina janshi we so faha raha obe hu we wa say no you be training model no sa ti obe to me a director bring you here. We can build an AI system that will a dashboard that will handle every single guest I'll buy. So maybe after the podcast, no, you can just take your phone. So Enoch AI with Enoch came here. Then AI nakasa be processing. Now if you are add it to database, no nakasa be fill it in. AI with Enoch bar. Here I'll be to me. I just type when did AI with Enoch come here? Obeka go check it. So with systems integration, it is more customized. So what I say, and that is something that many agencies we try to know what actually happens in the company, and then we look at the best AI solution we can give you. You understand?
All right.
Yes.
Brilliant, Charlie. We've spoken at length, but what and it's beautiful. And I think when you have to do with AI, especially the conversation with AI, it's a bit even so definitely have to come in again.
With the practical aspect.
Then we talk more about the practical stuff. And all that, because I think there's more and more of things that we can actually talk about, we can actually explore. Unfortunately, time wouldn't permit us to be able to go so much into it. But obviously, definitely, you have to be here again so that we get more into
more practical.
And based on the things that you've spoken about, and as we've discussed, and I hope that anybody who is watching us, if they have any questions, you can comment it on the comment section, especially on our YouTube comment section or the other social, so that we pick those questions. The next time you're here, we can just ask them, and then you can also answer them, so that at least they will know exactly. They will know that their questions are answered. All right, Charlie. So this is how we will end the show for today. I hope say you enjoy yourself. I hope you go to learn something, especially from AI. Charlie,
I learned something.
Onam 10 times also. Now who charge GPT? Unim what GPT is. Unim language GPT AUC. Unim the NTI who type in this and that. It me generate baby now. At least you know the risk that are involved. Me them see me sure because I have terminator beba.
Some years
continuous learn ubusa esua de na esua broso. Oh, I'm saying, ya ringi your friend say, CID, any you kuno mujina do another portal.
Yeah, and they do it too. So ChatGPT, almost screening every single information. So most of the people, they try to run the large language model locally.
Okay.
So instead of saying Kobe running the cloud on the chat, be running. ChatGPT, I think some more open weight models, like more releasing model will be to me around more GPT OSS, more 20 billion parameters. I definitely have to
those
come back.
These ones are just a bit into. So
the next one should happen.
Yeah, we have more detail because me and Kasa, it's an exciting conversation for me, and I believe it's something really new to I'm learning because my job. Like my 9 to 5 job that I do, my praise. Because I want to integrate AI into our work systems, right? So on my own time, and to be able to integrate it into it. Sometimes if my immediate office, my immediate people that I'm working with in marketing, everyone catch them say crazy, don't pay AI, don't pay AI, don't know. But AI,
yes,
they are going to take over things. Exactly. So the earlier you learn, the better. Because by the time you realize that AI is taking over, it might be too late.
Yes.
Right now, internet people are making money. TikTok, Instagram, whatever, influencer, baby, not AI. If you can catch it quickly and get into it quickly, please do. Because a honor is kind of a honor good na kasa. What I say. So yeah, I hope you had some insightful. Your friend is saying. You were able to grasp something based on the discussion. Make sure that you visit or you check on our socials, the Bros Podcast on Instagram and on TikTok. Like I always say, the Bros Podcast. Go follow us, comment, and then also share so that your friends, your mother, your father, your brothers, they can all see it and they can also enjoy some of the conversations that we have as well. Subscribe to our YouTube. We are still growing, so be part of the community. Charlie, we are also. So subscribe to our YouTube. Also, you can leave comments there. We make sure that we reply to your comments as well. My name is Chris.
I'm a brand here.
And AI with Enoch. But where you need your handles need because they're very important.
So and you can follow me on all social media platforms. It is AI with Enoch. You can also go to my website, aiwithenoch.com, or you can also go to aiwithenoch.com/community. You have to join the community because
is it a Telegram com?
No, it's a website.
It's a website com. Yeah. Okay.
So you can join. I'm also an AI consultant. I educate. I've spoken to about 1,000 people.
Please, banks, corporate institutions.
Look for him.
Yeah.
AI with
book him. Let him come and consult. All right, so that when AI integration it can help business because I know it's a really, really good thing. Yeah. Especially business that process
currently
large volumes of data.
Like Nipa Baku say, but to me I build a whole company on his own. He doesn't need to employ anybody.
Asem na o kan so ko company bi na o ko me ekoyi nkrofo adia ekole nkrofo over dey be the more. But those are the things that's the reality on the ground. That's the reality. But there's going to be a time that these things are going to happen. And then like generative AI, it's like Gemini generating or proper photography. Google is it VO3 generating videos and stuff like that. Charlie, it's all coming for our jobs. But by the earlier you integrate it into your workflow, the better. All right. It's your boy Chris. Follow me on my Instagram, Film God of Pictures, on Twitter, Film God Pictures.
Okay.
And as always, stay safe and be safe. We are out. See you on the next one.
Bye-bye.